So this is an experiment to see whether a defrosting board is faster to defrost than a standard chopping or ceramic board. I boiled 200 millilitres of water and put them into a glass container. I put one of the glass containers onto the defrosting board and the other one onto a wooden chopping board. I put the thermometer into the water to check the temperature of both of them. When I'd done that, I then left it for 10 minutes and it dropped down to about 60. They were both almost identical. I then tried again after 20 minutes and it dropped down. They were almost the same. After 30 minutes, the difference between the two was roughly 1.5 degrees centigrade. After 45 minutes, the difference between the two was roughly 2 centigrade. So after another 10 more minutes, making it nearly an hour later, the temperature had dropped down to 31 and 29. So on this simple experiment, it seems it didn't make much difference. I will next try it with frozen food to see whether that makes any difference. Thank you for watching, and if this gave you value, then please share, like and subscribe.